Alright peeps, welcome back to another vlog. Another day. Well, yep, he was over here. Alright, so what are we doing today? Hopefully we can take care of that. That's number one. Secondly, let me get this. Got a lot of water because it's hot outside. Need to drink some water. And we're gonna get these bad boys installed. I already put it in the car. Oh yeah. Why is it so dirty back here? These guys. Look at that. BC's Racing. So these are the coilovers. I've been had these. Well, not in the back of the car, but been having it in my possession for about 2 weeks now. I was waiting for my buddy Kiet to help me install it, but as always, Kiet is a really busy man, and he has jobs back to back, and he didn't have time to put my coilovers, or he didn't have time to do my clutch either. But he got back with me yesterday, so he was squeezing me in. So I'm gonna drop the vehicle off today, and hopefully he get it done by this weekend, so I could go to Cars and Coffee. Yeah. But yeah, that's pretty much what we're doing today. I'm not gonna shoot a whole video on the coilover because there's a lot of videos out there on people who knows more than I do how to install coilovers. I don't. I was gonna try it myself, but I didn't think it was gonna turn out too well. I didn't want to be stuck in the middle road or anything. Or actually, I didn't just really want to fuck up the car, to be honest with you. This certain stuff like headlights, taillights, popping panels, bolt on, bolt off stuff I know how to do, but really I don't have the tools to even take apart this. I don't have a lift. I don't have jack stands. I don't have any bigger socket, torque wrench. I don't have none of that. So and Kiet has it, and he's much better professional, and he does this for a living, so we're gonna let him do it. But for right now, we're gonna head to Squirrel's house because he just bought this new 6-point cage from Crisco. Well, he bought it 3 months ago. Finally got it. So we're gonna go to his house. He's gonna take it and get it powder coated red to match his interior, and from there we head back to the house, get the Evo, well, his house, get the Evo, and drive to Kiet's house and drop it off. So I'll see you at Squirrel's. All right, we made it to Squirrel's house, but I just wanted to get a before and after height so I can remember what it looks like, I guess. So this is the before height. All right, have about, looks like 4 inches, and it's right on the wheel well, so Kiet's gonna also roll the fenders. So that's the front. And the rear sits a little lower, only 3 fingers, so 3 inches. And obviously you gotta roll the fender because it's directly on it. All right. So that's the before and after. Well, here a little bit. It's quite sunny. Tires are black. Let me go on the other side. Maybe it's a better view. Still the same. But yeah, so that's how it looks. Alright, so these are the Crisco? Crisco 6-point?
Yep, JDM.
JDM. How long you waited for these? 4 months. I thought it was 3. Dang. So it comes in blue. Pretty nice color, but it won't match his interior though. So he's gonna get it powder coated red.
Yep.
Where you going to get it powder coated, bro?
NB Coatings in Chantilly.
Where?
NB Coatings.
All right. I guess head over there then.
Hey.
Hey. And we made it. NB coating. I don't know if you guys see that. Zoom in. Place is a little hard to find. It's in the back of a long building. Thought that it was the front. I guess there's 2 sides to it. But yeah, here we are. Let's get this thing powder coated, and then head to Kiet's house.
Some advertisement too.
Yeah, certainly. No problem. Yeah, that's the third one. We have a couple.
It's going to take about 2 weeks. What happened?
Yeah, I mean, they're both the same.
Oh, okay.
So yeah, they're both illusion
I
red.
just like this more sparkly.
Yeah.
That's a good color, man.
This one?
Yeah.
Oh, it's the same. This
It is. It's going to look nice on this.
Oh yeah.
Oh,
It'll,
yeah.
I mean, the thing is, guys, it's inside. You know, what you see in the sun is a lot different than what you see when it's outside. Yeah.
10 cents a week?
Yeah, about 10 cents a week.
A lot.
Yeah, our cars are stored on the
That's not bad.
But yeah, that's going to SEMA as well. That's an F-250.
Alright, so we dropped the car off at Kiet's. I didn't record it because I was just too busy figuring out what the heck was going on with the Evo. So he took the Evo out and took it for a test run, and it could be a possible of 2 or 3 things. Most likely it's when my buddy was installing the clutch, he fucked it up. So that's really what it is. Either drive shaft, mid shaft, missing a bolt or something, or the engine mount is not put in correctly, so it's causing a lot of vibration on the Evo, not really because of the new wheels itself. So yeah, he's gonna put it up and check it out, and hopefully we get it fixed by tomorrow, as well as installing the coilovers. So yeah, probably see you guys in a second. It'll be a day for me, but a second for you guys. So I'll see you when the coilovers is done. Peeps, we got the BC Racing Coilovers in. Everything is fine, but we're running into an issue with the previous job where my buddy put in the clutch, and pretty sure he messed up. The axle was popped out. There's some loose bolt. We're not sure if the transfer case is loose or the drive shaft is loose, but something's down there. It's causing the car to vibrate a lot, around 40 miles per hour or higher. So yeah, we're gonna have to take a look at that another day, and yep, just another issue for the Evo, but we're gonna get that fixed. But anyways, thanks for tuning into the vlog. I'll see you guys next time.